What time is it, Grandma?
Time to crack the whip. Get busy.
Say hi.
Hi, love you guys. Hope you have a good day.
Love you, boys. All right. So here's another Think Bob. So it's for at the end of chapter 6 here for you, Titus. So cut your paper in half vertically and horizontally. And I'm going to give you one of each 4. This is Think Bob. So then cut this into 4. And just go words, table, equation, graph for each of the 4 sections. You can pause and do that. And this one here, you're going to write, you can pause this and write that. Bob has $4 and saves $1 every 3 days. For number 2, I'm giving you the table. You can pause and write that down. Number 3, I'm giving you the equation. Y equals 4x plus 1. You can pause and write all that down. And then number 4, I'm giving you the graph. You can pause and write that down. So anyways, hit pause and do your work, and I'm going to now do them so you can check when you're done. All right, so don't be watching this till you're done. Love you, buddy. So here, this is X, Y, which is days and dollars. So 0, looks like Bob has $4. He's starting with $4. And every 3 days, so I'm gonna go up by 3, every 3 days he saves $1. So every 3 days, so this is kind of a tough one to start off with. But this is going up by 1, and this is going up by 3 every time, which is your rate of change, And so my equation, y equals mx plus b, which would be y equals 1/3 x, which is my rate of change, It's $1 every 3 days, which is my coefficient of x. And then he's starting with 4, which is what I'm starting with. And so here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm starting with 4. And here's my x and y, which are my days and dollars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks like I'm gonna go over 3 and up 1. And here's my line. Bob has $4 and he saves $1 every 3 days. Bob has $4 and he saves $1 every 3 days. Bob has $4 and he saves $1 every 3 days. There it is. There's number 1. Number 2. There's my table. So it looks like Bob has nothing. I'll do the words. Bob has $0. And it looks like he's going up $2 every 1 day. So it looks like Bob has $0 and saves $2 every day. You can put 1 day if you want. My equation, y equals mx plus b. So my rate of change is 2 over 1, which is just 2. You can put 2 over 1 if you want. And he's starting with nothing. You put plus 0, you don't need to. So you could have this if you want all your numbers. Y equals 2 over 1x plus 0, or you could just write y equals 2x. That'd be the easiest way to write that. And here, 1, 2, 3, I'll just make it simple here. Bob starts with 0, and he goes over 1 and up 2, and there's my line. I can do the x and the y days and the dollars too if I want. There's my graph for number 2. Number 3. So y equals 4x plus 1. I'll stick a 1 under here. So it looks like Bob has $1 and saves $4 every day. My table, days and dollars. It looks like he's starting with $1 and every day he's saving $4. He's got to go up by 4 and he's going up by 1. He's saving $4 a day. If I want to go farther, it'd be that, right? Another point. So he has $1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So he goes over 1 and up 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's my line. Here's my X and my Y, days and dollars. Bob has $1 and he saves $4 a day. There it is. And the last one, right here, it looks like Bob has $3. Bob has $3 to start with. And it looks like he's saving $1 every 2 days. And saves $1 every 2 days. So my table, X, Y, days, and dollars. Looks like he starts off with 3. So again, if you're, whatever your denominator is, that's what you want to go up by. Like here, you're going up every 3 days, so you want to go up by 3s. Here, it's every 2 days, you want to go up by 2s. I don't know if I explained that well enough, so anyways, it'd be easier. And so you're going up by 2 every, and so 4. This went up by 1. And this went up by 2, didn't it? Plus 1, plus 2, like you want. And you could do 4, and this would be 5. Again, you went up by 1, and you went up by 2, which is your 1 over 2 is your rate of change. 1 over 2 is your rate of change. 1 over 2 is your slope. Y equals mx plus b. So y equals your rate of change, or your slope is 1/2, and he starts with 3. Your y-intercept's, you start with 3, your y-intercept's 3. Bob has $3 and he's saving $1 every 2 days. So there they are.